Good morning, class. Today we are going to begin with problem set number 44. Now the first question is, the time below is given by 12-hour clock. Write the same by 24-hour clock. Now same timing but in the different clock. In which clock? In 24-hour clock. Now your first question is 30 minutes past 10 in the morning. So you all remember I told you all till 12 in the morning it will be the same time, but you don't have to write AM and PM. So we will write here 10, put colon mark, and 30. That is 10:30, right? It is 10:30. You are doing this exercise also, this problem set also in the textbook itself. No need to do it in your notebook. You can study from here. 20 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. Now 1 o'clock in 24-hour clock will be what? 1 or 13? It will be 13 because after 12 comes 13. After 12 comes 1, no? So it will become 13. 13. Now this is 20. So 13 hours 20 minutes. Right? Understood how we wrote 13? 13 means 1 o'clock. 12 plus 1 is 13. So the time will be 13 hours and 20 minutes. No writing AM and PM. It will become wrong. Now 10 minutes past 8 in the morning. So it will be same 8 only. 8 and what? 10. 8 hours 10 minutes. 40 minutes past 5 in the evening. 40 minutes past 5. 5 plus 12 is 17. So it will become 17 hours and minutes. How many minutes? 40 minutes. It will be 17 hours 40 minutes. Now you must have noticed this is morning. This will be same. This time also will be same. In what? In 12-hour clock and in 24-hour clock also. Now the time has crossed 12 o'clock. So it will become 12 plus 1, 13. So we wrote 13 hours and 20 minutes. And here 5 o'clock in the evening, that means 12 plus 5 is equals to 17, and the minutes will be written as it is. So 17 hours and 40 minutes. Easy, na? Yeah. Coming to the second question. Now your second question is match the following 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Now this is 9:10. 9:10 means 9 hours 10 minutes when AM in the morning. So the timing will be same in 24-hour clock also. We will write here 1. 9 hours 10 minutes. Second question is 2 hours 10 minutes PM. 2:10 PM. So 12 plus 2 will be 14. Minutes will be as it is. So here will be 14 hours and 10 minutes. Right? Coming to the next question, 5:25 PM. 5:25 PM. So 12 plus 5 is what? 17. 17:25. So this will be 17:25. Now your fourth question is 11 hours 10 minutes when PM. So 12 plus 11 is 23. So it will be 23 hours and 10 minutes. Now your next question is 7 hours 25 minutes when AM. 7:25 AM. So it will be same 7:25 AM. Understood? Right, children? So this question also you all are doing in the textbook itself. No drawing lines here and there. You know you have to write the numbers like this. Now so in the Google form you have to select the correct answers. But when we write in the notebook, answer time, we write the B column as the answer column. Hope you all have understood this. Now moving further to problem set number 45. Now this is what? problem set number 45. This is addition and subtraction of time. Here we have to add and subtract. This is problem set number 45. So we are going to solve this problem set in our notebook. We can't do it here. So we will be doing in our notebook. Right, children? Okay. Now this is problem set number 45. Question number 1. So first what we have to do, we have to write the first question, that is 2 hours 30 minutes plus 4 hours and 55 minutes. So write that question first. So we will be writing 2 hours 30 minutes plus what? 4 hours 55 minutes. Now we have to add this. You all have learned this in 4th standard. Now what you have to do, arrange properly. Now this is hours and this is minutes. Okay. Leave one line for carrying or borrowing. So we will be writing starting from the next line 30 minutes. Then the next number is 4 hours 55 minutes. Now what you have to do? You have to add. Okay. Now 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 2 plus 4 is 6. Now what is the answer we have got? We got 6 hours and 85 minutes. Now 6 hours is okay. But is 85 okay? Can we write 85 minutes? No. Why? Because more than 60. 60 or more than 60 becomes 1 hour. It can be bifurcated. So what we have to do is find out 85 is how much? 85 is equals to, like, you have to subtract 85 minus 60 means 1 hour. Okay. Is equals to what? How much you will get? 85 minus 60 is 25. Now what is this 60? This is 1 hour. So we can do it here itself. Now this is more than 60, no? 60 or more than 60. So what we can do is write here 60 and here write the minus sign. Okay. Now don't go for this column. We are doing only minutes column. So 5 minus 0, you will get 5 itself. Now 8 minus 6 is 2. That is what we got here, 25. Now this one we will write in this column because 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour, no? This 60 we wrote 1 as here in this column. Why? Because 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Understood? Now this you have to add. This becomes 7. So now what is your total time? Answer we can write here, final answer. Answer is equals to 7 hours and 25 minutes. Understood? I'll explain once again. Now what is the question? 2 hours 30 minutes plus 4 hours 55 minutes. So when we add this 30 and 55, we get 85. Now when your minutes, in your minutes column, if you are getting till 59, it's okay, it's fine. You can write it in the same way. But once it crosses 60, when it becomes 60 or more, you have to do this method. You have to remove 60 from there. So this will be minus. What did we do here? Minus sign. 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 6 is 2. So we got the answer 25. Now this is what? 60. Where we will do this? 60. 60 becomes 60 minutes becomes 1 hour. So we have to write in the hour column. So this hour is 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So total how many hours? 7 hours. 7 hours and 25 minutes. Got it? I hope you all have understood. Moving to the second question. Your second question is 3 hours 50 minutes plus 4 hours and 20 minutes. Okay. Now arranging in the same manner, we will write here hours and here we will write minutes. A little gap between them. Otherwise, if we write very close, we are like bound to make mistakes. We can make mistakes, no, when the number gets mingled up. So we should write it little far away. So this is 3 and this is 50. This is 4 and this is 20. Right? 3 hours 50 minutes and 4 hours 20 minutes. We have to add this. Now what? Now add 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 3 plus 4 is again 7. Now first calculate about minutes. What we have to do? More than 60, no? 60 or more than 60. So subtract 60 from this column. You will be getting 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now we found out how many? 10. 70 minus 60 is 10. Now make this as arrow. Bring this here. What we will write here? 60. Should we write here 60? No. This is 60 in minutes column. But when the place changes, it comes to the hour column, it becomes 1. Why? Because 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So we wrote here add plus it becomes 8, right? So what is our answer? Our final answer is 8 hours and 10 minutes. I hope you all are understanding it. So coming to the third question. Your third question is 3 hours 45 minutes. 3 hours 45 minutes plus 1 hour 35 minutes plus 1 hour and 35 minutes. Okay children, in the same way, same method, this is 3, this is 45, here it is 1 and here it is 35. Okay, this is addition sum. What sum is this? Addition sum. Now what we have to do is 5 plus 5 is 0, carry here 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, minus 60 from here, it becomes 0, this becomes 2 and this 60 will come here, we will make an arrow here, this 1 came here, plus this becomes 5. What? 5 and this is 20. So we can write here, I am writing here, answer is equals to 5 hours and 20 minutes. I hope you all are very clear with this sum and you all have understood it properly. So the fourth sum will be your homework. Only one sum in question number 4, that is sub question number 4 will be your homework. Remaining sums we will continue in our next lecture. Thank you.